Do you see what this says? Welcome to Locust Street Cottage. I'm so glad you're here. It's time to start planting peas. Now I have these trellises in the backyard, but I'm trying to be creative this year and think of other ways to go up and maximize my space here in my urban homestead. We did really well with these last year. I think we had them covered with cucumbers most of the time, and as you can see, we had some lima beans. I need to clean these off. So obviously trellises are always an option, and if you have room in your homestead, absolutely do those cattle panel trellises. But I started to think, what about all this fence line I have? What if I started thinking creatively about how to use 48 inches of fence? Last summer we had this fence put in to keep this guy in the yard. I did try to grow some sunflowers along the fence line, but that didn't work out. Last year we had several more cars in the driveway, and they got mashed down one time when a big truck came through. This year Eric has a garage, and so he's moved all of the cars to the garage, and I now have room again. These little planters on the east side of the yard didn't get much use yet last year because there's just not enough sun on this side. I was trying to grow Malabar spinach there, but it needs a lot of sun and it just wasn't getting it there. But peas on the west side, in those little planters, that would probably work. The bunny yard today. Look, everybody's having fun. Time to take a break and check on the rabbits. Hello, silly girls. What are you doing? One's in and one's out. What are you doing? Trying to come see me? I don't have bunny breakfast yet. That pile of bedding right there came out of the bunny hutch, and I think I'm gonna top dress my peas with it. Now to decide which peas we want to plant. I always try to remember who's seeing what. So in the back I'll plant the not beautiful stuff, but look what we have. Magnolia blossom. Snap pea. And these are supposed to be beautiful with purple flowers. I think we're gonna plant these along that fence line. I have all three watered and top dressed, and I hosed off the patio. I'm still gonna go in the back and put some on the trellises back there, probably the not pretty ones. And if you liked what you saw, you could subscribe right there. You can watch more gardening videos right there. And I'm gonna go put those bunnies away too. Till the next time.